2, 1, go!
Bit of a false start there, but here's qualification match number 53 at Bonney Lake District event. Blue Alliance with a couple of game pieces scored and moved across the field, 49-18, working their way up onto their charge station to try to balance that out. Red Alliance trying to do the same. It looks like we might have them both balanced as the autonomous period expires. 30 points for the Blue Alliance, 25 for Red during that autonomous period. Drivers take control now, trying to decide which game pieces they want to go for. 1294 with their gripper trying to grab onto one of those cubes. 3218 making quick work of that cube that was found on the other side of their charge mechanism. They're going to score and get that in, yeet that into their community there for the other team members to deal with. They're going to go and grab onto a cone now from their human player station. It's hooked on and they're heading their way back across. That little suction cup grabber there seems to hold on to game pieces quite well, working its way up to one of the top nodes on its station, and they're working their way back over to grab another one. Not to be dismayed, 59-37 over on the blue side of the field. MI Robotics doing their best to score game pieces onto that node and create links as well. 37 points for the Blue Alliance. Red Alliance with a slight deficit. Hopefully our host team here, Panther Robotics, will be able to make up the difference. 37 points now for the Blue Alliance, 31 for Red. Blue Alliance scoring one more piece of purple game piece onto their node platform there. 60 seconds remaining now, 51 points for the Red Alliance. Blue Alliance needs to make up some ground if they're going to get that lead back. Only one link so far for the Red Alliance, but I'm sure they're working on a second. Blue Alliance as well. 59-37 coming over with that cube they need to complete their first link. Looks like they may have lost a chain on their mechanism, not able to get that up into the upper position, but they took it in stride and scored in one of the lower ones just as well. Points are points, if you know what I'm saying. Red Alliance going for the climb onto that platform. Blue Alliance doing the same, 49-18, trying to get all three robots onto the platform. Not quite sure that's going to work out, guys. 20 seconds remaining. We'll hope that they can pull it off. 8302 looks like they may have had an electrical problem, not seen any lights on that robot. Both blue robots look like they may be high-centered. Hopefully they get that resolved. Red Alliance with two robots on the stand. We'll see if 3218 tries to join them with 4 seconds remaining in the match. Probably not a smart decision at this point, going to score that one last piece instead. 3 links for the Red Alliance, 1 for the Blue Alliance. We'll get those 100 points, taking 3 of those ranking points with them. That's 2 for the win and 1 for that activation bonus for those balanced charge platforms. Red Alliance, Panther Robotics heftily seated in the #1 slot now, 2.6